Everyone, in today's video I will show you how to record a layered voice memo on your iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. This new feature lets you add multiple audio layers to a single recording, perfect for voiceovers, music or layered notes. So let's get started. First of all, you have to find the voice memos app on your iPhone. You can simply search here and tap onto it, and then you can see this red icon, which is basically for recording your voice. And after completing recording your voice, you can tap onto it and then just click here as I am doing here, and you can see that you can add layered voice by clicking on this plus icon and start. And now you can add layered voice on your recordings. And once if you are done, click on this done option, and that's it. Now your voice will be played as layered recording. And you can also name and save your layered voice memo. You can now play it back as a multi-layered recording. Important notes that this feature is only available on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max with iOS 18.2 or newer. If you have an older version, this option won't available on your iPhone. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.